We're at Robinwood. Goes into the Saco River here the 6th of March, and this road is broken up pretty badly. We're going to see what we can do to get it back in shape. Elwin is going to try and gate spread as best he can. There is a bottom to this. I'm sure it's frozen away down, which is why he's been able to get in here. But smaller vehicles like mine hit bottom. So he's going to gate spread as much as he can, but we do have wires that we got to be careful of. So we're spreading 1.5 inch stone, which is the only thing we can use in a situation like this. Nicely done. This is 1.5 inch stone we put in this mud spot. I'm going to try and work it in. I'm not even going to try and use the front runner on this. We're getting snow in a couple of days. Maybe the biggest storm of the year naturally in March. And I just want to get this stabilized enough so that people can get in and out of here, even if it's only a single path. I'm going to move some of the stone around to other places, but for the most part it's just going to get worked into this ground here. This is what working the stone into the surface provides. There is a fair amount of loose stone on the surface, and it's going to be difficult to plow the snow here when we get a storm in a couple of days. The plow contractor just better keep his plow up a little bit. But for now, the road is much more passable as this stone has been worked into the surface. You see there's mud here still, but the stone has provided enough support to take the average vehicle